Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Good of Kaluba. My YouTube channel is also Good of Kaluba. I will be discussing university and secondary school mathematics. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. In case you want to get to me, you can contact me via my email indicated there. You can also contact me via WhatsApp. Don't also forget to like my Facebook page, which is Zuluba Consultants. Today we want to evaluate a limit as x goes to -1 of the given statement. So how do we work it out? The first thing that we need to do is we have to make sure that the quotient, the fraction that we are given, we simplify it. Then whenever there will be x, we are going to put or replace -1. So for us to simplify the given statement, we have to factorize the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so let me start by factorizing the numerator. Okay, so in the numerator there we have x squared plus 6x plus 5. So the product is the coefficient of x squared and the constant term, the product. So 1 multiplied by 5 we get 5. The sum is the term with x to the power 1, this one. So the sum is 6. So we look for two numbers, which when we multiply we get 5, then when we add we get 6. Okay, so those are called the factors that will aid us in factorization of that statement, which are 5 and 1. Okay, so now you have to attach x to these factors, and here you replace these factors, but you attach x to the factors. So let me just do that. So this will be squared plus x plus 5x plus 5, this 5. Then at this point I have to factorize by grouping. I'll group these two. I'll also group these two. What is common here is x. I'll remain with x plus 1. What is common there is plus 5. I'll remain with x plus 1. Again, you can see that this statement is common. So I'll factor it out. It will be x plus 1. What will remain there is x, and there I will remain with 5. So this is the factorization of the numerator. Then I go to the factorization of the denominator. The denominator, we have x squared minus 2x minus 3. Product is equal to -3. Sum is equal to -2. The factors that will satisfy these two conditions, we have the two numbers that will satisfy this condition, we have -3 and 1. You have to look at the factors. Normally you look at the factors of the product. Okay, those will be the potential candidates to make up the factors here to satisfy these two conditions. Okay, but you have to try them positive or negative. Okay, so we have to replace this. We attach x to this and replace them here. So I'll attach x. This will be x squared plus x minus 3x minus 3. Factorize them by grouping. Okay, what is common here is x. I'll remain with x plus 1. What is common here is -3. I'll remain with x plus 1. This is common and that is common. I can factor it out. Okay, then I'll remain with x minus 3. So these two statements, this one and this one, they are the ones that I have to replace here, then evaluate the limit when x gets to -1. Okay, so, okay, let's hope you can see. So I'll replace, this will become limit as x goes to -1 over x Factorizing the numerator gave us this. Okay, then for the denominator we had x plus 1, x minus 3. So now wherever there is x, I have to put negative 1. But before I do that, I have to make sure there is nothing that can simplify. When we look at the denominator, this is common and that is common, so those two will simplify. So this will be equal to, wherever there is x, I have to put negative 1. So I'll put negative 1 there, negative 1 here. So negative 1 plus 5 over negative 1 minus 3. This will be 4 over negative 4, which will be negative 1. Okay, so when you are told to find the limit of a quotient, make sure you try to factorize the quotient and see if there is nothing that can simplify. Then later on, you replace negative 1 wherever there will be x. And so this is what we did to reach here. Okay, you can see we had to simplify. So that's basically how you work out limits. For this and more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you are notified. Thank you.